الله أستاذ.
لا كريست كيفك؟
الحمد لله، أنت كيفك؟ منيح.
الحمد لله. Do you have physics؟ كان عندكم physics هلا؟
نو، كان في تاريخ.
تاريخ. Hi, how are you? Now we are going to solve exercise 6 today. Let f be a function defined over minus infinity minus 1 union 0 plus infinity by fx equal x minus 1 plus 2 ln x plus 1 over x. Designate by C its representative curve in an orthonormal system. Show that the line D of equation y equal x minus 1 is an asymptote to C at plus or minus infinity. How to prove that the line is an asymptote to C at plus or minus infinity? What you have to prove? We say limit as x tends to plus or minus infinity of fx minus yd equal limit as x tends to plus or minus infinity of 2 ln x plus 1 over x. How did we calculate this limit? If we replace x by infinity, we get 2 ln infinity over infinity, which is indeterminate. How to calculate this limit?
هيدا indeterminate.
Yes, indeterminate. How to make it determined?
بنعمل HR لهيدا x plus 1 over x
Equal HR limit as x tends to plus or minus infinity to ln 1 over 1, Hospital's rule, derivative over derivative, 1 over 1 equal 2 ln 1 equal 0. It means that y equal x plus 1 is an oblique asymptote to C at plus or minus infinity. Part 2. Limit as x tends to minus 1 minus limit x tends to minus 1 minus equals, we replace x by minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 ln is if we replace x by minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0 over minus 1 0 minus over minus 1, we get minus 2 plus 2 ln 0 how much ln 0?
minus infinity.
Minus infinity. There is a dog in our class. ده مين هذا الكلب؟
شو said؟
There is a dog.
تبعي.
Small dog or big one?
No big.
خليه ياكل شي مرة نايرة، بلكي بياكل نايرة شي مرة يخلصنا من نايرة. اوكي limit as x
حرام
tends to
أستاذنا.
حرام نايرة، ما عم نشوفها، ما عم تحضر الصف نايرة، مرة كل شهر بتيجي على الصف. limit as x tends to 0 plus equals of fx equals, if we replace x by 0, we get 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus, this is minus 1, plus 2 ln 1 over 0 plus 0 plus. How much will be this limit? One over 0 plus is how much?
Plus infinity.
Yes, 2 ln infinity equal plus infinity. Part 3, calculate f prime x and draw the table of variations of f. Calculate f prime x. How to calculate the derivative of ln x plus 1 over x? So f prime x.
بالأول نعمل derivative.
شو derivative للn u؟ So f prime x, derivative lil x minus 1 is 1 plus 2 ln u. Derivative ل 2 ln u هي 2u prime over u. 2u prime over u. يعني كان عندنا نحن ال fx is x minus 1 plus 2 ln x plus 1 over x. F prime x, derivative of x1 plus 2 u prime, this is u, all of that one is u, u prime over u. 1 plus u prime is u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. U prime is 1 times v times x minus derivative of x is 1 minus 1 into x plus 1 over x squared over u. This is u prime, u over v. U prime here 1 times x minus v prime minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 بصير minus x minus 1 over x squared over u. X minus 1, x with minus x simplified, x squared with x remains x here. We get far over far, near by near. So 2 into minus 1 over x into x plus 1. We take the LCM, x into x plus 1. We get x squared plus x minus 2. X squared plus x minus 2 over x into x plus 1. So f prime x equal to 0, then x squared plus x minus 2 equal to 0. A plus b plus c equal to 0 means x prime equal 1 or x equal minus 2. Any questions about the derivative?
No.
Now what we have to put in this table of variations? What we have to put? First the domain, minus infinity minus 1, union 0 plus infinity. This one is not included in the domain. We remove it. This one is not included in the domain. We get minus 2 and 1. F prime x is of the second degree, so between the roots opposite sign A, negative. Outside is positive. X squared plus x minus 2, it is second degree. Between the roots, it is opposite sign A, it is negative. Positive outside the roots. Increasing, decreasing, decreasing, increasing. The minimum equal f of 1 equal 2 ln 2 or 1.38. This is 1.38. The maximum f of minus 2 equal minus 3 plus 2 ln half. We get minus 4.38. The maximum. Part 4. Show that the point I minus half minus 3 over 2 is a center of symmetry. How to prove a point is the center of symmetry? What is the rule? What's the rule for center of symmetry? The rule is f into 2a minus x plus fx equals 2b. Center of symmetry, part 4, f into 2a minus x plus fx equal to b. يعني f into 2a, a is minus 1 over 2 بصير 2 into minus x plus fx equals 2 into minus 3 over 2. That's it. F into minus 1 minus x plus fx equal minus 3. We are going to prove this relation. F into minus 1 minus x plus fx equal minus 3. So f into minus 1 minus x plus x equal minus 3. We are going to prove this relation. This relation is going to be proved. I take the left side, f of minus 1 minus x plus fx equal. F of minus 1 minus x, we replace each x by minus x minus 1. It becomes minus x minus 1 plus 2 ln minus x minus 1 plus 1 over minus x minus 1 plus fx. So f of minus 1 minus x, we take the function f. I replace instead of this x minus 1, instead of this x minus 1, instead of this x minus 1. Minus x plus x, 0. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 3. Plus 2 ln minus x على minus x minus 1 في اكتبها x over x plus 1 by multiplying by minus up and down. 2 ln x over x plus 1 plus 2 ln x plus 1 over x. I take 2 common, minus 3 plus 2 into ln x over x plus 1 plus ln x plus 1 over x. Ln a plus ln b equal ln a times b. Ln a plus ln b equal ln ab. بصير ln x into x plus 1 over x into x plus 1. تعطينا ln 1, 2 ln 1, which is 0 ln 1. We get minus 3. Now the last part. Trace C. To trace C, we have 3 asymptotes. X equal minus 1 vertical. X equals 0 vertical. The oblique asymptote is y equal x plus 1. For x equals 0, y equal 1. For x equals 0, y equals, get the equation y equal x minus 1. For x equal 0, y equal minus 1. For x equal 1, y equals 0. I draw this asymptote. Now the maximum point minus 2 minus 4.38. Minus 2 minus 4.38. This is the maximum point. And 1.38. 1.38. 1.38. Following the table of variations, the curve starts from minus infinity to the maximum, then decreases to minus infinity. This is the curve near the oblique asymptote to the maximum, then decreases to minus infinity near the vertical asymptote x equal minus 1. Second branch, 0 plus infinity till the minimum, then goes to plus infinity. Okay, this is all for today. We'll continue next time.
اوكي يلا
أستاذ
Yes.
التست تبع بكرة فينا نعملها غير نهار.
نو بتعرف انه مشكله هذا، ليكو مشكله هذا التست بدك ترجع تحكي مع بورومبوس ليحجز محل ليرجع. في لبكه طويله عريضه ما بقدر.
نحن بنحكي مع أستاذ.
لا خلص. يمكن هذا بيخلص الترم هذا.
غيرنا بيولوجي
بليز.
شو عندكم؟ بيولوجي؟ غيروا البيولوجي.
لا عم نقول غيرنا بيولوجي، ما أخذت ثانية بس قلنا له خلص.
لا ما راح غير. هذا صرنا عاملين فيه 3 تيست. هذا البروبابيليتي. نو راح نعمل بكره. انه نكست ويك عندنا 3 دايز، يمكن يكون يخلص الترم ما يقدروا ياخذوا علامات، ما بعرف.
بنعمل Thursday.
Which one? Which day?
Thursday or Friday.
So what's the difference between Wednesday and Thursday? Wednesday يعني. هذا صرنا عاملين مثله كثير هذا البروبابيليتي، وحلينا عليه infinite number of exercises. ما بده درس كثير.
Today I can't stay أدرس.
شو؟ Yes, what did you say? بعدين أنا سألتكم last week أي day بدكم، أنتم قلتوا Wednesday، يعني مش أنا حددت Wednesday. أنا سألتكم last week أي day بدكم، أنتم قلتوا لي Wednesday, all of you. You gotta study well. It is not difficult. جايب لكم same exercise من solved exercise جايب لكم. يا جنرال ايه ساعة بدك ترجعوا تفوتوا جنرال على الصف؟ توماس